In today's vlog, we will be tackling this whole thing. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. As you've seen, we are tackling the bedroom today. I've already went through some of the drawers and decluttered everything, so now I just need to make sure everything is in boxes. We have 10 days until we finally move. I've set up a date and time for key collection, so that's awesome. We can now book everything. I'm gonna do a separate video on what you need to do and how fast you should do it, like in advance, like booking the van, removals, whatever you go for. I'm gonna do a research video about that and what we've been through. But now we're just gonna pack all the clothes, everything that we don't use anymore, and all the drawers and all the bookcase and everything basically that's in the bedroom, really. What I'm gonna do now is actually empty this part of our wardrobe, because when we first came in here it did not have these shelves. We bought them. It came with like something to put the hangers, like a hanging bit that came all the way there to here. So I'm gonna put it the way it was when we first moved in here, and I need to empty this side first. So I've managed to empty these shelves, and now I'm gonna take them out and try to put the hanging bit back up. These are really easy to remove. You just basically lift them up. We'll see what we're gonna do with them, if we're gonna do anything, if we're gonna build anything, but why not save them? And they come with these like plastic bits that I'm gonna save as well. Ta-da! I'm not sure if this is how it came, but I like it. I'm just gonna move these ones by up because we have some shelves here. I'm gonna move them up by one each, and they should be like more spread around. So this is how we originally got this baby, and it also came with some hangers that we're gonna put back, and I'm gonna keep all my clothes in here, all of our clothes. And let me show you what we need to pack now, everything that's on the bed. Good times. And now obviously I'm gonna do the trash bag thing and just pack my hanging clothes that way. I have a big recycling trash bag which has this at the top, very convenient, this sort of handle, and I'm just gonna try to fit all of the bottom of these clothes. It's so much easier to do it the other way, but you have to damage the trash bag, and I really like to reuse this one, so we're gonna go the hard way. And hopefully it will fit, but it might not, and it doesn't, because you know why? Well, it's my fault. It's because I have these hangers that you can just stack up multiple clothes, and because of that it doesn't go all the way up because it's too high, really. So I need to put them individually and not in the stack. I need to take them out of the stack, keep them individually. Maybe I can get away with two. Well, let's try it out like this. Should fit now. And there you have it. It was really heavy, but the clothes are secure. It broke a little bit here, but that's fine. It's still usable. And then you can just carry it by the hangers. And I'm just gonna leave it here. Oh, that's really heavy. I'm gonna leave it here until I do everything else. But this is how it should look. So I ended up doing two, because I think they are harder to carry in a way like that. Like, I get it if you want to put them directly on the stand, or if you take the stand as it is and just like keep them on there and carry it like that. But I think I'm gonna stick to boxes, because I would use trash bags, not like that, but like just like throw them into trash bags. But that means And when I get to the new place, I have to iron everything again because they'll get messy and just wrinkly, and I have to iron them again basically. So I'm gonna nicely fold them into boxes by category, and that way when I get there I can just unfold them, put them in the drawers or whatever they need to go, and that's it, because I've kind of done everything that was on the stand and that I'm not keeping, so I'm gonna do that. So this is my box of clothes. I managed to put, I'd say, like a considerate amount, almost all of them in this box. It's not tiny, it's big, but it's not heavy because it's just clothes. I'm gonna label it, I'm gonna see if there's anything else that needs to go in there, and I'm gonna just close it. Now I'm going to try to dismantle the clothes rack. This might be way harder than I thought initially. Cool. We got it off. Now I'm gonna do the bottom part, which you can't see because it's too low, so I'm gonna do that off cam and get back to you. So I actually have to stop. This is all that I have done, and I've done a lot, and it's been 2 hours, and I've organized the wardrobe, which felt like just a few clothes for 2 weeks, but it's actually like a lot of clothes, and it's making me question whether I should declutter some more. So let me pop you down. I'll stop the video here because I'm just exhausted. I was not expecting it to last this long and to be this exhausting. I'm really tired. It's been like 2 hours. I've dismantled the clothes rack. I've put back the shelves that were in the drawers. I've done a lot. And I've packed most of the stuff. I still need to pack all the things in the drawers and on the bookcase. But that's gonna be a thing for tomorrow or Thursday. I don't want to do this like super quick. That's the beauty of starting early, because you have time to do it properly and in your own time and not get frustrated, angry, or super exhausted. So that was it for today. We've packed half of the bedroom. We're gonna pack the other half in the next few days, and of course I'm gonna keep you updated. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content, because I still haven't moved. It's still a way to go, so I'm still gonna put out some moving content, and then I'll keep up with the vlogs, obviously. So if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe and like this video because it will help me a lot. And I will see you next time. Bye!